Yeah.
Alas 8 pa lang mga kachika, hindi pa daw sila matutulog. Pero nakapag-toothbrush na yan sila. Ready for bed na yan sila. Alisa. Alisa, good morning. Good morning, Alisa sa.
Yeah, what's that?
That's what I said. He,
What's that?
touching her hair.
What is it?
Crumbs from the toast.
Oh, yoy. There's crumbs in your hair. Jesus, I mean, it's log.
Mm.
What about it?
Hi, Lai. Eat na your toast, Lai. Lai. Lalay. Lalay. How many you got? 18? Wow, that's a lot.
Today I'm gonna get 2 more.
2 more? From who?
You know it's 8:30, right?
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Pupunta na ako sa work mga kachika. Natawa ako kay Alisa, kilala niya na yung classmate niya. Sabi niya na, classmate, hindi pala classmate. Kilala niya na yung pangalan ng teacher niya. Sabi niya na isasabihin niya daw sa, yun, binanggit niya yung last name ng teacher niya na sasabihin niya daw na may eye test daw siya kahapon. Sabi ko, kilala mo na pala yung pangalan ng teacher mo. Kasi dati natanong namin yan siya. Hindi niya kilala. Kahit yung mga kalaro niya, hindi niya din kilala. Sabihin niya lang yan, I don't know. Start kasi ako ngayon ng 9 yung start ko mga kachika. Si departure namin. Can focus what I'm doing there because I tried to call you, no answer. I text you, no answer.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll make sure I do it next time, okay? Yeah, my sweet.
Sweet bitaw. He was really worried. Oh my God, I'm thinking about you, thinking about them. Maybe I missed picking them up if there's something happened to you. So why can't you just say okay?
Yeah,
Then I know you're alive.
Yes. I didn't think about it. I got the message, so it was in my head to rush back at lunch and go pick you up. I do apologize.
Yeah, you need to apologize. Huh?
Recording this.
Yeah. Na-stress ako kasi nasa work ako, tapos dapat matapos ako ng to. So pagdating doon, sabi ng housekeeping namin na daw, tapos kami ng 3 kasi ang daming gagawin ba, nag-extra ang gawa kasi may inspect.
Come on.
Oh, we missed it. May mag-inspection. Tapos tinext ko siya, mga 12 pa lang, tinext ko nga kasi susunduin ako ng to. Yun yung usapan namin, susunduin niya ako ng to. Tapos 12 pa lang, tinext ko na matapos ako ng ano kasi yun na din yung time na ma-message ko siya kasi sobrang busy nga mga kachika. Yun, binessage ko na ganito. Wala man lang reply. Nag-message na ulit ako na na-receive
Tell
mo.
everybody now.
Ha?
You're telling everybody.
Yeah, cause I'm worried. Huh?
Drama. You.
No, it's not drama, Percival. For sure, if I did that to you, you will be all over the place.
Oh, it's different.
You gonna be say words to me.
You deserve it.
See, that's how it shows how
No,
you
I'm
the
just-
way you
I just
treated
said that
me.
for the camera. Don't worry. I said that for the camera.
Tapos ngayon, sabi ko wag mo na lang akong sunduin kasi nag-alala din ako para sa mga bata ba na ano yung baka ma-late, ganun, late pag-pick up. Wala man lang ano, nag-miss call ko na ng 2 beses. Wala ding ano, miss call tawag din sa akin. Uy, parang na-stress na talaga ako doon kakaisip mga kachika ba. Sabi ko na paano na kaya. Tingin na ako sa labas kasi baka 2:00 pupunta siya, hindi niya nakuha yung message ko. Wala man din doon. Sabi ko ay okay, na-receive niya nata yung message ko. Ngayon naman, 3:00 na, nag-expect na ako. Sabi ko kasi na mag-bus na lang ako kasi parang mas madali din mag-bus. Yes. How can be you not hot if it
Oh,
that?
I am. Yes, I should.
Is still wearing that as well.
Yes. Anything else? Any more criticism?
It's not criticism.
Yes. Any more critical remarks?
Tapos, ayun na. Tapos ngayon 3:00 na, tawag-tawag na siya sa akin. 3:05 kasi na busy nga. Nag-ano pa ako may doon sa isang room na nilinis ko, binalikan ko, in-over ko. Tapos nakita ko nandyan na sa labas, nakapark na, tinatawagan na ako. Yun, nakita ko na nandyan na siya. Medyo na ano din ako. Pero hindi din ako, medyo na, ano ba, na ano yung isip ko.
Oh, excuse me.
Pero, yun na nga, hindi ko din, ano, ang tawag dyan.
Right.
Ay, sandali, nawala na ako sarili ko. 3:16,
You're very early.
bit early, yeah.
Well, where shall I? I'll stick it over here. Shall I? I'll stick it there. No, but they'll be tired. I'll get as close as I can.
There's no space there, Percival.
Huh?
There's no space there.
Oh, fine space, don't you worry.
Go get your
Daddy,
panty there ba? Pakainin ko pa to ng lunch nila. Wala na tayong ano, time sa ano natin. Sarili, wala na, stress na. Daan ko na lang sa tawa-tawa. Pupunta daw siya ng ano, gusto niya maglaro sa playground na wala na kaming time maglaro. Diyan lang muna yan.
Yeah, sometimes she has to come right away.
Yeah,
No hesitation.
and she has to understand that, okay? You understand? Give me your iPad.
no.
I'm gonna cry now. Daddy made me cry earlier.
Say what?
I said I'm gonna cry now, and Daddy made me cry earlier.
Oh. Well, that's good. I did?
Yeah,
Good. Good.
yeah. That's what you're good. Very good at that.
Good.
Very good at that. Lina, go get your panty there now, please.
Good.
Yeah, good at that.
Yeah.
Make me cry.
That's right. I'm expert.
Expert at that.
Yes.
That's all you give to me.
That's
Broken heart.
Good. You deserve it.
Oh yeah, of course. When I'm done, you'll be.
Oh, I'll be long before you, honey. Long before you. Long before. Likewise, when I'm gone, you'll see. You think, oh my God. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why.
You're gonna think, oh. Yeah, right. what do I do?
No, what I do.
Huh? Now what do I do? Huh?
What do I do to you? Yung hugas, kaya nandito pa yung hugasan. Iniwan namin kayo na. Punta pala siya ng gym. Na-receive nga niya yung message ko. Hindi lang talaga siya nag-reply. Ngayon, alam niya na. Sabi ko, kahit nag-reply
Yeah,
talaga.
I've gotten much stronger. Strange.
Oh.
Yeah, bench press.
You know what? You know that I
I
told
don't
you when we went there, right?
Huh?
We went there, right?
Yeah, yes.
And I told you that that boy there is my colleague.
Oh, yes.
And then he told me, and it was the next day when I went to work the other day.
Yeah.
I said to me, you know what? I said, you know what? I think you're. He said, I think your boyfriend angry to me. He said, he's not my boyfriend, he's my husband. He said, yeah, I think he's angry to me.
Why?
It's because you say hi to me. And then when you he said, when you went to the other room, you look at me very angry.
Did I? Where is he from?
Portugal.
Ah.
I said, he looked at me very angry.
Really?
I said, no.
Oh, that's his usual look.
He said, I just said, yeah, that's him. That's only, he's not angry. That's the way he is.
Usual look. Say, huh?
Maybe he's angry that you say, look.
No. Portugal? Is that where he's from?
Yeah.
Portuguese? Yeah, they're alright, Portuguese. Hard working.
Yeah. Yun yung sabi niya sa akin mga kachika. Mga tita kami.
Portuguese, very good. Good people. I really was. With them two in the car, you know. I mean, I'll pack your face off. You know.
Kaya tayo mga kachika. Hindi ko alam anong oras na ba. Nandiyan pala yung cellphone ko sa ginagamit ko. Ngayon ginawa na ko ni Mr. yung sandwich. Gutom ako eh. Wala talaga ako talaga ako nag-expect na magdala din ng sandwich kasi akala ko nga matatapos kami ng 2 o'clock. Hindi pala, 3. Kasi 10 rooms, tapos meron pa kami mga stay.
How's school, Lina? Yeah. How's school?
Magbibis pa ako. Masarap. May ginataan ako na na kahapon ko ito niluto. Ito. Alan P! I know, I told you that there's a new Filipina there.
Where? Oh, yeah.
I was talking with her earlier. She's the sister-in-law of, you know that guy, the taxi driver, and he's a bus driver now?
Oh, yeah.
That's his sister-in-law. They just moved in there like 3 weeks ago.
Where from where?
From St. Mary Church, somewhere.
Oh, how long have you been over here then?
I'm not sure how long. But then now,
Huh?
she said, my God, she said, you're lucky that you got a space for them, for your kid, because she didn't have it
When?
in year 1.
Oh. We're gonna have to leave soon, you know. 10 minutes.
Bilisan ko lang ito kain. Pininto ko kami sir na may Filipina ako na nakilala dyan ba. Bago ko lang siya nakita, siguro mga 3 weeks na. Simula doon 3 weeks o 2 weeks na napansin ko na pumupunta siya dyan sa school na yun. Yun pala ay kilala niya na ako. Kasi yung dati may kakilala din ako na sister-in-law niya pala yon. Tapos nagkita na kami doon sa party nung in-invite kami ng sister-in-law niya. Tapos nag-usap kami kanina. Kung parang nakita na kita, sabi niya, oh, parang nakita na din kita. Yan pala, ganun. Sabi ko, ay, ikaw pala yung sister-in-law ni ano, ganito, ganyan. Sabi niya, oo. So, kalilipat lang din nila dito banda mga kachika. Doon din sila dati nakatira, malapit lang din sa amin. Kung saan kami nakatira dati. O, hindi naman super lapit, pero hindi talaga kalayo ang compare dito. Mamaya ko na ito kainin mga kachika. Gusto lang muna kay gutom talaga ako. Masarap sana rice ba? Wala man akong maulam. Ga.
Why you gotta get cold hands?
It's not cold.
Whoa, cold. That's cold. Oh, look. Huh? Huh?
Yummy.
Something
Yeah,
there?
you hear Daddy, there's no wrinkles, no?
What?
You're here.
No.
Live in your face.
No, you can take it. I'll let you take a photograph of me.
Sige, okay, come on.
Yeah. I was in the cafe. I think it was 5 times. I think. No, 10. No. Yeah, 5 times.
Lisa,
Run.
Run.
Yeah, run. Good. No.
Sanhat, you can take it off.
Is it same time?
I have stage
Oh.
2 too.
Yeah.
Stage 2?
Oh, yes.
Well done, Lina. You'll be in your stage 3 now.
Lisa. It's mine.
It's 9.
4.
Chips. That's Momo.
You're gonna be in your stage 3 next week. You're gonna have your certificate, yeah.
Is it same time?
I don't know, we have to ask the reception.
Help me, Mum, open it.
51.
Watching a vending machine. Hi, watching a vending machine. See how cool
It doesn't work as it suggests it works.
Tick. Come on.
Come on, hurry up. Quick. There you go.
Anak mo na tayo ito ng fruits mga kachika, napapagod na ako, upo-upo ko kaunti. So nakaupo na tuloy ako, parang naramdaman ko na yung pagod ng katawan ko ba. Grabe yung intense sa trabaho kanina. Sobrang ibigyan ko din yung mga bata ng fruits. Meron na palang grapes. Meron ding grapes. Marami pang ito. Kasi hindi gaanong bet ng mga bata. Kaya ang dami. Panibili niya yan ni Mr. Last week. Ganun. So kahapon, ano bang araw? Kahapon Tuesday, nag-food shopping kami. Hindi gaanong pinansin ng mga bata. Kasi hindi na gaanong bet. Mas gusto nila yung green. Sayang, malalaki pa naman, Wala daw kasi yung green. Kaya yan yung binili niya. Kaya tayo ng strawberry. Okay, nangihina naman ako. Magulo lang yan dyan. Sarap mag-inom ng wine. Malamig. Ang init. More orange? Okay, you focus your dinner now, not orange. It's okay, you get changed later. Did you eat your bacon?
Oh, you give me my bacon too, did you?
Oh, no.
What, are you having as well?
I don't know what am I having. What?
No, later. I don't know what you're having. You got chicken there, and chicken breast. I only make one chicken. That's it.
There we are. Yeah.
What?
Oh my goodness.
Friend, that's Elise's friend now.
What?
Chloe.
Is she just in a car? That's Chloe looks like. And Ruby. You know, she got like ginger or whatever.
Yeah. What's this?
I'd pick up Elisa because you know she went in her house and she pick up and Ruby pick up her so she can see it. Oh, I need a pet cat.
Whose cat is that?
Oh, Bella's cat. I know how she is. Bella cat. Her friend to the class. I need a cat.
What's Bella look like?
Okay.
Yeah.
Alas 8 pala mga kachika, hindi pa daw sila matutulog. Pero nakapag-toothbrush na yan sila. Ready for bed na yan sila. Alis, magbibihis pa yan siya ng pangtulog niya. Tingnan si Percy Pig, oh. Mr. Nag-ayos siya ng higaan. Kaya hindi ko na naayos kay maaga ako nagising. Pero nagsampay. Hala, may kalimutan ko. Mag-ano pa pala, magdidilig pa pala ako mga kachika kayong aking, sobrang dry. Yung aking sunflower. Natanggal ko na yung mga pinagsasampay ko kaya na sobrang dami. Puno yan kaya na sinampay ko. Tinanggal ko na kasi magpapatulog nga ako sa mga bata. Ito na, alas 8. So, ito na yung food. Nagpaluto ako kami sir mga kachika. Ganyan pala yung style. Nilagyan niya ng mushroom. Thank you daddy. And onions, garlic. Tapos nilagyan niya ng sauce. Ito yun naman yung sa kanya. Iba-iba kami ng potahe. Tapos sa'yo naghuhugas. Nabagot kay bakit ang daming hugasan. I'll finish that, Daddy. I'll finish it. Kami mga katsika, kaya na pa kasi yung umaga, tapos banlawan lang niya. So ngayon, nagtambak na to. Okay lang yan. Anuhan ko na lang yan. Babanlawan ko na lang yan. Sarap ng ano niya ba? Sarap tingnan.